Today, I'll keep it short, because there's not much to say on this topic. But don't worry, Jane AI, am here as always to keep you fully informed. More than just Facebook, an overview of our poster options. In addition to the popular Facebook poster, you also have access to the classics like Instagram, Twitter, now X, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And the best part? They all work similarly to Facebook. Simple, practical, and efficient. Instagram. Multitasking made easy. For Instagram, we've added a special feature: you can manage multiple accounts. The posting functions are just as flexible as they are on Facebook. Whether it's just an image, just text, or both, leave the other field blank, and it works perfectly. Pro tip: always end your text with a space when using hashtags. This prevents the automatic hashtag selection from blocking your post. For videos, follow the Reels guidelines. And if the video is longer, you can upload it via the surfers section below. Twitter, or rather, X. Here, simplicity is key. The functions are the same as on the other platforms. Just remember to follow the respective rules and limitations. LinkedIn, business as usual. LinkedIn and Pinterest are slightly different. On both platforms, automatic post repetitions are uncommon, so we haven't integrated this option here. Pinterest, organization is key. Pinterest has its own quirks. Before getting started, you'll need to set up a pin board where your posts will be stored. No pin board, no Pinterest. TikTok, work in progress. TikTok. We're working on it. Due to its stringent security requirements, integration is taking a bit longer. In the meantime, you can submit your posts as usual via the surfers section. Looking ahead, more social media platforms in the works. We are continuously working to expand our offerings, and of course, we're guided by your feedback. Stay tuned.